Remember, sanitize after the gate. Uniforms look good. Proceed to stations.
All right, milk crates first. Let's move. Got the sugar on the jack. Coming through. Careful with the cream, it's fragile.
All clear. Next pallet ready.
All right.
Starting fat content analysis on dairy sample QC 2020-45, transferring to centrifuge for separation. Now proceeding with the purity extraction.
Dairy liquids enter the filtration system, where impurities are separated. As the liquid swirls, particles are trapped, leaving dairy is collected while waste is contained. Dairy
Levels are rising steadily. Chocolate tank is at 70%. Vanilla is on track, no issues. Sensor 2 is spiking. Check the logs.
On it, correlating with sensor 1 now.
Confirmed. It's within safe parameters. Good. Keep monitoring the trend.
Temperature holding steady at 95 degrees.
Good. Watch for any pressure spikes.
Viscosity is dropping.
It's maintaining flow.
Sensor readings are stable. No anomalies.
Copy that. I'll log the metrics. Check the gas levels. We need to be proactive. Levels are nominal. We're good. Excellent. Keep monitoring.
ice cream enters the cooling tunnels at 85 degrees Celsius. The tunnels rapidly lower the temperature. As the ice cream solidifies, the temperature drops to -15. Ice cream The creamy mixture rests in these aging tanks for flavor enhancement. During this time, subtle chemical changes deepen the flavor. The result is a richer, more complex taste. The creamy mixture
Temperature's dropping. Watch the vapor. Yes, it's accelerating. Pressure is stable. Good. Monitor for ice crystals. Confirmed. Crystals are forming now. Perfect. Initiate the next phase. Temperature.
Final mix is complete. It's perfectly smooth.
Quality is spot on. Well done.
Let's get this batch ready for the next phase.
Agreed. Moving to packaging. Looking perfect. Keep it steady.
Got it. Swirling beautifully.
All right, moving them to the counter.
Looks great. Ready for the next batch.
This batch is moving smoothly to distribution.
Stack them neatly on the pallet.
Careful with that last one.
All set for shipping.
Pallet coming in for truck 1. Lowering now. Watch the stack. Got it. Pushing it in. Secure it. Next one's ready.
Here you are. Strawberry for you.
Thank you so much. Wow. Wow. Can I have chocolate then?
Big boss.
You. One.
Big yay.